Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MyChart app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MyChart is a patient portal app developed by Epic Systems, designed to give users easy access to their healthcare information. Through the app, patients can view test results, manage appointments, securely message their healthcare providers, request prescription refills, and access visit summaries. It also supports features like telehealth visits, online check-in, and integration with health tracking devices, making it a central hub for managing personal health records. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Patients often appreciate the convenience of having all their medical information in one place, with quick access to lab results and appointment scheduling. The ability to message providers directly and request medication refills without calling the clinic is another well-loved feature. Many users also like that MyChart integrates with multiple healthcare systems, so it continues to work even if you see different providers. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report login frustrations or issues with verification steps, while others mention that the interface can feel outdated and occasionally slow. Since MyChart's functionality depends heavily on each healthcare provider's system setup, some users may not have access to the full range of features. Additionally, notifications can sometimes be delayed, which may reduce its reliability in urgent situations. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the MyChart app may be worth using if you're looking for a secure, centralized way to manage your health records, appointments, and communication with providers. It shines in convenience, accessibility, and integration across different health systems. However, if your provider doesn't support all features or you prefer a more modern interface, you may find the experience somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.